Hi, I'm Brian Contos, Chief Security Strategist for Imperva. Today's educational demonstration is on SQL injection. This is part 3, a continuation of parts 1 and 2. Okay, I think I've had about as much fun as I can with the URL string. So let's go ahead and see what else we can work with on this website. So I'm going to simply go back to the home page. And again, I'm still logged in as Bugs. And let's go to search. Now, a lot of people, again, when they think of SQL injection, they don't necessarily think of other features within the system, like the search capability. However, this is accessing the exact same tables. And based on the ASP for the SQL injection itself, the search engine is going to allow me to get a lot more information. So we're going to try some interesting searches here. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in a rather long string, because it would take me too long to type it. Essentially, I'm saying, look for triple X, closing it out with an apostrophe. And actually, this could be anything. I could say Brian. I could say junk. Let's keep it junk. We're going to go ahead and use the union like we did before, which is going to go ahead and allow us to execute these together. I'm using ones here as integers, just kind of guessing there's going to be integers there. I'm saying give me the username, plus I'm sticking a little bit of formatting in here with a colon. Password, a couple more integers, credit card number, integers, and again, I'm saying from users. All right, it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty much the same thing we did when we were using the URL, just using a little bit of different formatting now via the search string. Let's see what we discover here. So we've got the user Alex with our nice colon separator, and his password is actually Alex. In addition to that, we've got his credit card numbers. Let's take this one step further now. I'm actually going to delete that, paste in a new search string, and we'll go through it again. We'll say triple X, union select, integer, integer 1, username plus password plus credit card number, still pretty much the same thing, but now I've added one more field, which is the credit card date, which is of course extremely important. And still we're selecting this from users. So let's run this query. And wow, now I've got pretty much everything I need. I've got the username password, the credit card number, as well as the actual credit card date. Feeling pretty confident. So let's do one more search string and see how fancy we can really get this. Maybe we have a nice little XML template we'd like to throw it in afterwards. So just like before, I'm going to select this, delete it, paste in a new string, starting this one with hippo. Could have been anything. Same exact commands we saw before. In fact, I'm using all the same criteria. The only difference now is in order to make it look nice for, let's say, my little XML template I want to throw things into, I've added some equal signs and some spacing just to line things up so they look pretty clean. I'm actually just doing some formatting. But we'll run the same command with that formatting, and there you go. Name equals Alex. Password equals Alex. Credit card number equals 1234, etc. Date equals this. On and on and on. And I can copy that and paste it and put it wherever I'd like. At this point, we've successfully probably gotten the information that we intended to from this type of SQL injection attack. Now, the last thing I did want to mention is we've been talking about SQL injection. But SQL injection, a lot of people think means SQL extraction. And there's actually a lot more you can do with it. You can insert things, overwrite, shut down, even crash a system. As we continue with this series and we talk about more advanced SQL injection techniques, such as blind SQL injection, evasion techniques, we'll take a closer look at these various capabilities. For more information on Imperva and how to mitigate these attacks, please visit imperva.com. Also, be sure to check out our blog, our podcast on iTunes, our other videos on YouTube, and follow us on Twitter.